Hi, I'm Gemma Perry and welcome to Mooncake. So today we're going to go through the top 5 apps that you must have if coming to China. The smartphone industry in China is one of the biggest in the world, and owning a mobile phone has become an essential tool of daily life in China. But what are the top 5 most must-have apps? Well, let's take a look. First up is WeChat. WeChat is predominantly a communication app. You'll use it to connect with your friends, communicate with your boss, flirt, and much more. But with WeChat's wallet options, shopping is so much easier. WeChat Pay is accepted almost everywhere in the major cities, and it's a highly convenient way to pay for things. Through WeChat, you can also top up your mobile phone, buy movie tickets, and even order a cab. WeChat is available on both Apple and Android systems in both English and Chinese. Now, although WeChat is a must-have in China, don't expect much privacy. Next up is Taobao, where you can buy anything. I mean anything. Didn't get that Tamagotchi you wanted when you were 12 years old? Well, Taobao has it. On Taobao, you can buy anything from Tamagotchis to temporary boyfriends. One of the best things about Taobao has to be its image search. Simply take a photo of the product that you want, upload it onto Taobao, and it will show you a plethora of options. This is especially useful if you don't speak Chinese. Now, the downside to Taobao has to be the quality. It's very hit and miss to whether you're getting a quality product or a very cheap product. It's also very difficult to know if you're buying the real thing or a cheap knockoff. However, Taobao does offer a sister site, Tmall, which does host official online stores. Although it's only in Chinese, once set up, it's fairly easy to navigate your way through the app. Make sure you check out my video on how to set up Taobao. Taobao is available on both Apple and Android devices, but only in Chinese. So we've talked about communication, shopping, but what about food? Now, if you're like me and cooking isn't one of your best skills, then Ele.me is a must-have app. Once set up, Ele.me provides you with a list of restaurants in your local area that will deliver to your house. Alongside restaurants, Ele.me also offers a list of local supermarkets, so you can even do your grocery shopping. You never need to leave home again. Psh, who needs to cook? Ele.me is available on both Apple and Android devices, but there's not currently an English version available. That said, once set up, Ele.me is relatively easy to navigate through with pictures of both the restaurants and dishes available. Of course, we can't stay home forever, and at some point we do need to venture out, and for this, Didi is a must-have app. Similar to Uber, Didi is China's main cab-hailing app. It offers taxis and private car hire anytime during the day. It's highly convenient, and wherever you are, it's usually relatively easy to find a taxi. If you're on a budget, it has a carpooling option, which means you can share with others heading in the same direction. Didi is available on both Apple and Android systems, and an English option is available. Now, in order to be able to use Taobao, Didi, and Ele.me, you're going to need Alipay. Similar to WeChat Pay, Alipay is an online wallet. However, unlike WeChat Pay, Alipay is a standalone app and offers a lot more features. Alipay is an accepted form of payment almost everywhere in major cities. Alongside day-to-day payments, through Alipay, you're able to pay for your house bills, register at local hospitals, and even make international money transfers. Of course, that's just for Chinese citizens. Alipay is available on both Apple and Android devices, and an English version is available. So there you have it, the top 5 must-have apps when in China. WeChat, Taobao, Ele.me, Didi, and Alipay. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below, what would you like to know about teaching and living in China? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below for more videos from Mooncake.